Whatever you need, All Clear Drain and Plumbing can get it done. From backflow testing to drain cleaning, leak detection to pipe replacement, we do it all. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say about us. Brenda Bond says, "The employees there are very professional, knowledgeable, understanding, and just all around good people, especially Ms. Zandra, compassionate and informative." Courtney Sims says, "I called All Clear Drain Plumbing out to my house where my tub was overflowing. They came out fast and inspected the problem, fixed it, and even helped me clean up the water in my bathroom. Excellent service. We clean your drain, not your wallet. Contact us today."